Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to effectively group your tabs in Chrome on your PC. Tab management can greatly improve your browsing experience, so let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it from the official Google website. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look for the New Tab button. It's usually located on the top right corner and marked with a ++ icon. Click on it to open a new tab. Step 3. Now, right-click on any tab that you wish to group. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. From the menu options, select Add to New Group. And that's it. You've successfully grouped your tabs in Chrome on your PC. Feel free to create as many groups as you need for better organization. It's a great way to keep similar tabs together and stay focused while browsing. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.